Power sharing in 3-level NPC inverter-based 3-phase 4-wire islanding microgrids with unbalanced loads.
Or abstract.
The main objective of this project is to implement 3-level NPC inverter-based 3-phase 4-wire islanding microgrids to improve the power sharing capability and enhance the performance of the system under varying load conditions. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
The block diagram shows a renewable energy source that is connected to an AC to DC converter, which converts the AC power generated by the source into DC power. The DC power is then fed to a 3-level NPC inverter, which converts the DC power back into AC power. The inverter is connected to a 3-phase 4-wire load, which may be unbalanced. The proposed power sharing control strategy will aim to ensure balanced power sharing among the 3 phases of the microgrid, minimizing power imbalances and voltage unbalance, improve the system's performance under varying load conditions. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.